Not only does crepe myrtle come in a variety of blooms that would give you some color from midsummer on into fall, but if you can get the main trunks to live through a few winters, it has a lot of interest in the wintertime with the peeling, scaling bark. Now on crepe myrtle, if yours are blooming now, if you want to keep them blooming all summer long, you can cut off these blossoms, not allowing them to go to seed capsules, and keep it fertilized, pinch it back occasionally, and it will keep flowering on new growth. Now over here is a shrub that in the garden gives us some beautiful color, but it also attracts butterflies. This is called Buddleia, or butterfly bush. It's very sweetly scented, comes in several colors. This is a purple form, and it too forms blossoms on current season's wood, so you can keep it blooming if you keep it sheared back. It tends to get some dead twiggy growth in it from time to time, so you might want to keep that pinched out or do some selective pruning come wintertime. Over here is a flowering shrub that is for you folks who live in southeast Oklahoma. This is the Oleander. It has very interesting foliage and beautiful deep pink blossoms. I wouldn't expect it to live through the winter in central on into northern Oklahoma. These are sent to us to trial. We will mulch them heavily this winter and see how they do. But if you live down around Idabel, this is the shrub for you. Now over here is an old-fashioned one that is very sweetly scented, and that's the mock orange. We're looking forward to many years of enjoyment of this shrub in the garden. Some of you may also know it as Philadelphus. It's a great one in the garden if you want a nice, heavy, sweet scent in the air.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.